To set a custom ringtone on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, we need to go to settings, choose sounds and vibration, and then we want to go to ringtone. Over here in the top right corner we have this plus. We can tap on it in order to go to the sound picker, and we can switch to any of these if we like at the bottom, any of these categories, unless you actually find immediately your ringtone that you wish to use. So you can select it over here and we can press down in the top right corner, and the ringtone should be also immediately selected in the chosen sim. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!